Save the wildlife.
Okay.
Or make Nate happy.
Okay.
Hold the microwave and we'll pop the screw.
Jesus Christ. If I drop this and something jumps on my head, I'm gonna go off. You already got it out?
No, yeah, the screw's out.
It's right. Okay, hold on. Hold on. I'm so scared. Hold on. Because it might be a bear. Okay. Are you ready? I'm so scared right now. If it flies out of there at me. Well, where would it be?
It's in the microwave.
It's a bat!
It's a bird! Look, it's a bird. Oh, it's a bird, honey.
Give me a gun.
No, it's a bird.
Just give me a gun.
I'm gonna get a broom. I'll get it out of here.
I will shoot it. Can I hit it with this blanket? Can I hit it with the blanket?
No.
Why? Yeah, here, let's hit it with the blanket.
I'm just gonna try and shoot it.
Here. Here.
I'll get it.
Oh, great, now it's flying. Look, it wants to go out.
I know